Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me choose this one. Now we have to tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. And let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact you'd like to edit. So now let's tap on add picture, and here we've got 3 different categories. So the illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online. So if you do not have any kind of photo of the person you'd like to customize the contact for, I highly recommend to check those options and choose something, because they are really interesting. Google Photos, so those which are backed up. Device photos, you can open the camera app immediately, so you can just take a photo of someone who's standing right in front of you, or you can choose the photo from the gallery. So let me do it. Just find the photo and tap on it. And now in this step, you can change the position of the photo. You can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So just tap on choose if you're ready. As you can see, the photo will be applied, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.